Well, hello and welcome back. Now, I know I said in this lesson we were going to look at crypto exchanges, but I changed my mind because I want to have a quick chat with you about something called two-factor authentication. And it is an optional and additional check that is added into the account login process. It is in your absolute best interests to enable 2FA on your online accounts, and I'll tell you why. With 2FA enabled, there is an additional check added into the account login process. So as well as entering your login ID and a password, you're also asked for an additional piece of information. That piece of information can take several different forms, but most commonly it is a temporary PIN code, valid for a short period of time. That PIN code, more often than not, is generated by an application which you install on your smartphone. The logic behind 2FA is that even if for some reason a hacker has discovered your account login and password, they would still need to have physical access to your phone in order to log into that account. Let me just repeat myself there. I strongly recommend you add 2FA to any crypto brokerages or exchanges that you join. As well as this, I also suggest you add this option to your email logins and to your online banking logins. There are very good reasons for this, which we will discuss in more depth in the later lessons in this course about crypto scams and scammers. If you are new to 2FA and have never used it before, then go to Google and search for the Google Authenticator app and install that onto your mobile phone. If you've never used 2FA before, please watch the video shown on the Authenticator app page. That'll answer most of your questions. When you first enable 2FA on a website like Coinbase or Bitpanda, they will display a QR code which you scan with your mobile phone using the Google Authenticator app. The app will then give you a 6-digit number to enter into the website. Once you do this correctly, then 2FA is enabled on that account. From then on, every time you log into that account, you will enter your login details and a 6-digit code that's given to you by the Google Authenticator app. And that 6-digit code changes routinely. You can enable 2FA on as many websites as will let you do so. And each of those sites will have a separate entry in your Authenticator app. Now, there are other 2FA apps out there that you could use, but I'd suggest you use the Google Authenticator app, at least for now, until you get more experience using 2FA. Okay, well, that's two-factor authentication. As I said, we'll look at it in a little more detail in the lessons about scams and scammers that follow in the next section. Well, that's the end of this lesson. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. When you're ready, please join me in the next lesson. But for now, as always, thank you very much for your time.